Welcome to the Webdesign Launchpad. Quite often, I get my website visitors to ask me, is it really difficult to build a website? So in this set of Quickbytes, I would be talking about the difficulty levels for building a website. There are a number of things that we need to understand when we are building a website. The first question which actually comes up is about coding and technical skills. Do you really need coding and technical skills to build a website? Well, if you want to hear from me, it is not difficult to build a website even if you don't have any coding or technical skills. There are platforms which are available which allow you to build your website using drag and drop methods. Not only that, some providers provide ready-made structures so that you can easily and quickly build your website. They don't really push you to use any kind of technical or coding skills for your website. WordPress, one of the main products that we use as of today, which powers more than 40% of all the websites of the world, it is open source. It is free and allows you to build your website both from a design angle and from a functionality angle. You don't need any kind of technical or coding skills to build a WordPress website. One of the key elements of a website is the objective or the business of the website. If you know in detail about the business that you want to portray or the objective that you want to portray through your website, then why should you exactly require a technical developer to do that work for you? You can always start with a small website with maybe just one page giving the key elements of what you want to portray, and then slowly grow it over a period of time. Obviously, you know how to showcase your business or your work or yourself for that matter. So, if you understand that, you can easily build your website using a number of tools and platforms which are available for free. Now, another question which bugs a lot of people: will it be time consuming for me to build and maintain my website? For the purpose of your business or your work, you are trying to build an office or a showroom. Now, initially, when you're planning that showroom, executing the build of that showroom, looking into the interiors and other things, you do spend some time on it, and that is how a website also works. The initial build of the website does require some efforts, though these efforts are not something that will eat away into huge amounts of your time. Then again, for the purpose of maintenance, for your showroom, you keep doing small things in small pockets. Once you've done those things, obviously, your showroom remains clean, neat, and welcomes all its clients and customers. Same applies to the website. A little bit of effort may be needed on an ongoing basis to maintain your website, to keep adding new content, to keep protecting your website from hacking, just like a showroom, from theft or robbery. That is how your time factor would be counted. So, some time is needed, not in big volumes. Now, when we see various platforms that allow you to build your website, you also come across a lot of articles related to ready-made designs or themes being available for your website. Can you use these designs and themes? Definitely. That is a big plus for the website industry. It really makes your life simple. Various providers will always offer more and more templates on an ongoing basis, in which you can add your content, you can add your text, you can add your pictures, videos to build your website pretty fast. The layout and the framework you can use from these templates. It saves time, you can execute the build of your website faster, and you can establish your online presence pretty quickly. Now, quite often, as I promote the power of WordPress to build your websites, my clients come back and ask me, are there any ready-made platforms so that I can do it still faster and in an easier manner? Well, yes, there definitely are a huge number of platforms on which you can build your website, either free or you can make it grow as your needs grow. What really happens is these platforms, they kind of map to your domain name and they provide you space as a subdomain of their main domain, which doesn't go noticed by an end visitor of your website. They make building your website pretty easy. They provide you with various modules that you can use and embed as you grow your work. There are a lot of popular platforms like Wix, Squarespace, Tumblr, Doric, and many more. One of the key challenges of these platforms is that once you reach a particular threshold, then they might prove to be a little expensive in terms of building your website. In the meantime, I will invite you to join one of my free live programs wherein I break a lot of myths about building websites by yourself. And yes, like I said, you don't need to be technical to build your website. I'm sharing the link in this video as well as in the text below. So click on it and join my next program for free. I have also launched a Kickstarter bundle in which you can build your website pretty fast and quick within a span of 10 to 15 days if you are diligent enough right from scratch and do it on your own hosting platform as well. So take care and see you in the next set of Quick Bites.